So this is called MarleyGard. What it is, it's a full flow filter for the cross flow basin cooling towers or cross flow towers, and it goes in the hot water basin. It is comprised of two components. It's the filter media, which is what's catching anything that would go through like pipe scale or leaves, that sort of stuff. It's antimicrobial, so it's preventing biogrowth, and it's something that's easy to replace every like 6 months to a year. And then the stainless steel grid. So the stainless steel grid is like a stiffening component. It keeps it flat, keeps it flat across the basin. So that part is kept and it's reusable. So you're just replacing filter media every 6 months, and then what this helps is it helps with customers that have to clean their basins quite often. It prevents stuff from getting in the nozzles and clogging, and it prevents basin overflow. So,
sure.
Tell us about what's going on here with all the rocks covering.
Yeah, so the rocks here are, what it's showing is that even though you can have debris right over a nozzle on the basin, it doesn't change the basin head or the distribution of the nozzle.
That's great.
So what it's doing is this filter media has a profile to it, or a thickness to it. It still allows water to get to the nozzle. So we've done some testing with it. This, you can actually cover up about 80% of the area here before it starts any sort of overflow.
Okay.
So it's very resilient when it comes to clogging.
Is there any microbial impact to the media?
Yep, absolutely.
And you said replace it every...
About 6 months.
Okay.
When is this available to the general consumers?
So it's available to quote for the aftermarket, actually. It's available on Monday.
Okay.
And then for QTC, it's next month.
Great. Again, this is the Marley MarleyGard filter. Contact Midwest Machinery, and we'll get that set up for you.